Hi guys, I couldn't believe this. Like seriously, I couldn't believe this. Does YouTube actually pay for live streaming, like the views you get from your live streaming? And how much do YouTube pay after going on live stream? Like 1,000 views, 2,000, like 1,000 views up. So I'm going to share with you guys. So after watching, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Before, I was actually busy, happy that people are joining my live streaming after getting my monetization, after monetizing my channel. So I was like, I am going to make a lot of money from views. I was thinking I'm going to make a lot of money from those people that are joining me, like from views. The normal way we make money on YouTube, watch ads and reels, from the views we are getting, right? I thought I am going to be making same money. You know, I'm going to be telling you guys the honest truth about all this whole stuff, and I'm going to show you guys how much YouTube was able to pay me for live streaming, like after monetization for live streaming. I wonder why a lot of YouTubers don't actually go on live stream. But the good part is that you can actually use your live streaming to build your watch hours and also build a fan base. That is a good idea. So after watching my analysis, you will see how much YouTube was able to pay me for going on live stream. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and screen record. I'll go to my YouTube studio and I'm going to search for my live stream by clicking on contents. Yes, I'll click on content and I'll click on type of content. I'll choose live stream and I'll apply. Then I'll come down here. I want to show you guys something. You see this video that got 600 views. So I'm going to click it. I'll show you guys something. So I got 600 views while on live stream. People were joining, we were chatting. So at the extent that I got 90 chats, like people that are chatting me, I got 90. But after I published it, I got 10 views after publishing this video. Now this is my watch hour and this is 0 subscriber, $0. I don't make 1 naira. But while I was on live stream, I got 600 views. People joined my live stream. We were chatting, we were talking. But at the end of everything, I made 0 naira and there is no subscriber. Now let's go to the second video. Now this video is just 6 minutes video that I did not even do much. I was just like dancing. So this video, after I published it, I got 328 views. And this is, I'm going to show you guys the reach. The reach is 5,200 impressions. This video I did not do anything. Like I just came to my shop and I started dancing on my live stream. I did it for just 6 minutes, and when I published it, it started going. People started watching. So I'm going to show you guys the engagement, how people engaged on this video, guys. Okay, let's go to engagement. I have 3.1 watch hours on this video, and this is content suggesting this video. This is audience. I have returning viewers, 22 returning viewers. These are people watching me, India, Arabia, and so on. So let's go to the top geographies. So these are India people, Arabic people. Let's go to the revenue. Whoa, guys, I made $0.04 without people sending me super chats. I made $0.04. How much was advertisers paying me? Advertisers were paying me 0.89 dollars, but YouTube is paying me 0.04 for 1,000 views. So I've gotten 331 views. So guys, now that you have finished watching my analysis, I will explain something to you. You don't make money from those people joining you. After turning on your monetization while going live stream, yes, you will turn on your monetization. They are not making a dime from the views you are getting on live stream while you are live. You will only make money after you might have finished live streaming. You might have finished the live stream, you know. You must have finished the live streaming before those views that you are getting after live streaming. That is the one that they will pay you. You don't get paid while on live stream. All those people joining you, don't make money from them. You don't. So you see, at first I was so happy because a lot of people joined my live stream. I was so happy. So, but you can make money from super sticker. That's why I advise you to build a fan base. Like when you build a fan base, you are building people that will be sending you stars, super stickers. You know, you make money from it. Now, you are going to be earning after your live streaming. You are going to be earning from your views after live streaming, not while you are on live stream. Those people that join you, if you like get 1 million views while you are on live stream, you are not making a dime from ads. No, your live ads start counting immediately you finish, you end your live stream, and publish it. That is the honest truth. Anybody that tells you less than what I told you is lying. You only make money on live stream once you ended your live stream. Those views that you get after live streaming and those people that send you super stickers, super star, it is quite different from posting videos. That is why you see a lot of content creators, they don't go on live stream on YouTube. They don't go unless they want, like, people will be sending them gifts after they might have built fan base. People will be sending them gifts, super stickers, super chat. That is how they make their own money. So I hope this video helped you. Please help me and share this video. If you find this video so interesting, why not hit on subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to send me super sticker, join my membership. If you want a special video from me, you can join my membership. Okay, it is not too much, the money is not too much. Please support my channel by joining my membership. And what are you waiting for joining my channel? I will be sharing with you guys every experience that I get here. You guys know that I am a content, I'm an entertainer. I post entertainment videos, but I condemn live streaming. Okay, I don't, because live streaming actually helped me get my 4,000 watch hours. So go ahead and keep on doing your live streams. You don't know, people might come and give you super stars, super stickers, which is very nice way to earn on live streaming. Why I'm surprised is that as a new YouTuber, as a new like, how will I even put it, as someone that believes so much on live streaming to make money from views, that is why I was surprised. So you that is a starter, or that you have not even started live streaming, you can go ahead and live stream. Grace is different. You can make money from superstars, super stickers, membership while doing live streaming. But you see that views, you don't make money while you are while you are on live. Your views start counting immediately you finish your live stream. I hope this video helps you, darling. If you find it useful, why not share it to others so that other people will as well learn. Okay, love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.